Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the year 2022. Thank you so much for sticking with me in 2021. Throughout last year, you guys are the bomb. You're the real MVP, and thank you for coming with me to this new year. I'm so sorry I wasn't consistent last year, but I will do better. I have a vlog coming up for you guys. I'm working on that now for that. But for today's video, I have a frontal wig tutorial. My last wig tutorial was a closure. If you haven't seen that, I would link that up for you to go and watch. But today's video is a wig tutorial. Is a frontal wig tutorial, and it's a very self-explanatory video. You're just going to watch it and you'd understand it. There's not much hassle to it. Okay, please guys, like the video if you enjoyed it. Share your comments, your thoughts in the comment section, and please guys, please, we're in a new year, please help my brand, push my brand for me. Subscribe, okay? I am begging, please guys, subscribe. It is completely free. There are no charges for subscription, okay? Please, thank you. All right, enjoy the video.
But I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave. Baby, but I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Like a seriously, never say you're sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new, baby. But you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
For this wig tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up and comment down in the video what you learned from this wig tutorial. And if you enjoy any of my content, please subscribe, guys. I think my views are way more than my subscribers, so please join the family and subscribe, and also hit the post notification bell, so whenever I post a new video, you get notified. Okay, guys, thank you so much. I didn't want to show how I install this wig because that will take a whole lot of time, and as it is, the video is already bulky. So if you want to see how I install my frontals, please leave that also in the comment section. I would be glad to do a different video for that as well. Okay, guys, thank you for always supporting me. Thank you for always watching my videos, and I'll see you in the next one.